guys, welcome back to Pixie Dust, and in today's video, I'm going to be opening a Hello Kitty mystery snack box. This box has a ton of fun and yummy Japanese foods, and I'm so excited to try them. Look at these super yummy Hello Kitty snacks. I would love to have these in my lunchbox. First up, we have some cheese arare. The cheese arare was so good, I definitely give it a 9.9 out of 10. These Hello Kitty barbecue chips were a little tangy, salty, and a tiny itty bitty bit of spice, which made it so good. Check out the barbecue chips close up. This is Hello Kitty's Milk Soft Candy. I bet it's gonna be sweet and chewy.